We want to innovate and be modern and see how we can ensure that all voices are heard. So we very much hope that this will set in motion this process that we will have over 2.5 years. 2.5 years where in a sense we'll have 5 mini COPs, 5 INCs, where the world will be together to finalize this text. So in 2.5 years we have a text that we can see the world agree on. That's what we're doing here in Punta del Este.
And if a legally binding instrument is to be found by 2024 to either end or reduce plastic pollution, we need the best brains, which is why we have you online and why we have you here in this forum.
Coming from a small island like Niue, we do not produce plastics, but we receive a lot of plastics.
Mostly in such platforms where speakers have not been very much privileged to also be part of such treaty negotiation processes. So I think this is a very big, one of the most historic moments for us.
Now the solutions are there and they're going to be in this room, and I'm really excited to hear what they have to say, all the way from the people who are dealing with the design of those products, for example, the chemists in the laboratories, but also from the informal sectors who are actually trying to solve this problem in their community.
We've created a group recently, it's new, it's called the Science Network for an Effective Plastics Treaty, which is also offering independent peer review and support for member states throughout the INC negotiations.
In future stakeholder forums, if we could have outputs collated, for example, in INF documents, so that they're directly informing the process, that would be really important. One of the other really big concerns of civil society is the presence of plastic producers in this space. It's really difficult from our perspective to have an equitable stakeholder input when you have the companies that are directly driving the plastic pollution crisis having an equal seat at the table with those communities that are impacted by the effects of plastic pollution.
I think the whole premise behind the setting up of this multi-stakeholder forum was to hear different voices.
And to see that all the participants in every table were engaging into discussion and bringing their ideas and their positions to this debate.
Celebramos este encuentro y también, por supuesto, las mesas que tuvimos la oportunidad de participar. Nos tocó en nuestra mesa en particular dialogar con los recuperadores urbanos, con entidades que los representan, también con entidades ambientalistas, y quiero decirles que estamos al encuentro y creemos también que podemos ser parte de la solución.
Ideas and voices must circulate before plastics can circulate. We need each of our perspectives to identify those actions that can be most effective to end plastic pollution.
The idea of finding common solutions that we can implement right away and starting to build that sense of what's possible through success.
If this treaty is not politicized, it is actually a key to a plastic-free future.
Now, we are not anti-plastic. We are anti-plastic in the environment.
La aspiración de un país anfitrión, en este caso, es que la reunión tenga verdaderamente un hito, ¿no? Y que verdaderamente suponga un camino para hacer cosas. Tenemos que dejar de hablar, dejar de conversar entre nosotros, dejar de anunciar cosas y comenzar a caminar.